Hindi mo na kayo sabi ko. Ari?
Yun na yung sinabi.
Lote.
Hi, good morning. How are you today? It's by the way, I'm June from AUBC Consulting. I'm June from AUBC Consulting. It's JUN. Yes. I've been consulting, and if I'm looking for I came across your project, 103 Riverview Road, warehouses and office stages 1 to 3. Is that right? Yes, ma'am. It's okay. Si June Mostacho.
Ang sabi niya.
Yeah. CHO, yeah. Yeah. It's we are a quantity surveying and cross consulting firm and builders as well. We support estimated VAQs and tender support when needed. I came across your project from the name Riverview Road, warehouses and office stages 1 to 3. And trying to reach out if you have a QS tender support for BOQ provider for your construction project. Oh, sorry. But would you mind if I can send the email at least? If it's okay. Okay. Thank you.
Malalaman nila kung sino yung tao na nagsundo. Yung data kasi natin i-confirm box
Remarks. Okay.
is on the side.
Hello, good morning, sir. Yes. My name is June from AUBC Consulting, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I came across to your project. I came across to your project, Riverview Roadside. Riverview Road warehouses and offices stage. Yes, sir. Riverview Road. Yes, sir. I'm just saying. I came across to say we're just quantity surveying and cost consulting firm and builder as well. We support with estimate BOQs and tender support when needed.
Try ako. Yung number ba na natawagan is ito. Yung gamit mo. Ito.
Okay. Well, would you mind if I can send an email at least?
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. You can reach me.
Okay. May I have it, your email, sir? Can you repeat it, please?
Tinatanong niya, or is there a different number that you want people contact?
Yes.
No, you can just contact us
Alt
on this number. Ayun, tinatanong
T-
mo, anong number ba yung matatawag?
can I repeat it, sir? It's Yang Alt TLY. Am I correct?
Ito yung email natin. Dito naman makikita yan sa credential.
TL Yang.
Ayun, tinatanong niya kung may email ka, tinanong mo rin siya kung ano.
Oh.
Pwede ka magsabihin. Dito siya.
Wait, so I repeat it, sir. It will be Yang as YANG Alt TLY. Is that right?
Ayan. Dito medyo matagal ang
Ah.
actively
TOU
sinabi.
Flash.
Or gusto mo ano, sulat na lang.
Yes, sir.
Ang border.
Yang at TOU.
Para hindi ka
Yes, sir. Yes. Then out. Yeah.
Tingnan mo,
Then-
ito, ay, ito.
Yes. TOU.
Oh, medyo, yan.
PLH. Tolds. BL.
Hindi nakapos.
AS. Okay. Todlas. It's been Todlas, sir. I'm right? Yes. Todlas. And ST. Yes.
Ito, kailangan mo rin
.com. Then AU. Okay. This will be, sir, when I repeat it, Yang at todlas.com.au. Okay. Thank you very much for the info, sir. Have a nice, great day. Okay, thank you. Ayan.